what would happen if you fell into one of the densest objects in the universe? It's not just deadly, it's unimaginably extreme. Let's say you are floating in space, approaching a neutron star, the remnant core left behind after a massive star explodes in a supernova. It's only about 20 kilometers wide, but packs in more mass than the entire sun. From far away, it looks calm, maybe even beautiful, but as you get closer, reality begins to fall apart. First, gravity starts to stretch you, literally. Because of the neutron star's insane mass, the gravitational pull on your feet is way stronger than on your head. This difference rips your body apart in a process called spaghettification. But let's imagine you survive that somehow. As you pass through the atmosphere, you would slam into a wall of atomic nuclei and particles packed tighter than anywhere in the known universe. This is no ordinary crust. It's a layer of ultra dense matter where atoms are squeezed so tightly that electrons are forced into protons, creating neutrons. The surface feels like solid steel. No, denser than that. One sugar cube of neutron star material would weigh about a billion tons. Now, here's where things really get weird. As you move inward, if such a thing were even physically possible, you would enter the neutron superfluid layer. This strange state of matter flows without resistance and is held together by quantum forces. You are now immersed in a sea of neutrons compressed so densely, the laws of physics start behaving like an abstract art. And at the core, we don't actually know what's there. It could be exotic quark matter, particles broken down into their most fundamental components, or maybe something even stranger, like hyperons or an extremely new state of matter we have never encountered. No human has ever been near a neutron star. No spacecraft has dared to approach one, but from the millions of light years away, we can still detect them. From their intense magnetic fields, rapid spin, and even gravitational waves when they collide. And that's where the real question begins. Could the core of a neutron star reveal a new branch of physics? Could it help us unify quantum mechanics and gravity? Would you explore a neutron star if it meant risking total annihilation? And if you're fascinated by these extremes of space, don't forget to subscribe and share this with someone who don't believe this. Because when it comes to neutron stars, we have not only even scratched the surface.